Do you have shortage of sleeping spaces in your home? Then, you should consider incorporating bunk beds to your bedrooms. Bunk beds have been a staple in homes, dormitories, and camps for generations. They offer a unique solution for maximizing space, especially in smaller rooms, while providing a fun and functional sleeping arrangement. Whether for kids sharing a bedroom, accommodating guests, or optimizing space in a studio apartment, bunk beds serve a variety of needs. One of the most significant benefits of bunk beds is their ability to maximize floor space. In rooms where space is limited, such as children's bedrooms or small apartments, bunk beds allow for 2 sleeping areas without taking up the entire floor. This vertical design effectively utilizes the room's height, leaving ample open space for play, study, or storage. For families with children, having a separate sleeping area can create more room for activities. With bunk beds, kids can have their own space to sleep while still leaving the floor clear for toys, games, and other activities. This can lead to a more organized and functional living space, making room for creative play and social interaction. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of stylish and space-saving bunk bed designs for every room. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many modern bunk beds come with built-in storage solutions, such as drawers, shelves, or even desks. This added functionality helps to further maximize space by providing areas to store clothing, toys, and other essentials. By reducing clutter, bunk beds can contribute to a more organized and efficient living environment. Bunk beds can be a cost-effective choice for families. Instead of purchasing 2 separate beds, bunk beds provide the same sleeping capacity at a lower price. This affordability makes them an attractive option for families on a budget, particularly when setting up a shared bedroom for siblings or hosting guests. Quality bunk beds are designed to last. Made from durable materials, they can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Investing in a sturdy bunk bed means fewer replacements over time, saving money in the long run. Additionally, many bunk beds can be disassembled and reassembled, allowing them to be moved easily as families grow and change. Bunk beds are not only for children, they can also serve multiple purposes as kids grow older or family dynamics change. Many designs can transition from a bunk bed to 2 separate twin beds, providing flexibility as needs evolve. This adaptability ensures that the investment continues to serve the household effectively over time. Bunk beds come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and styles, making them an exciting addition to any room. From traditional wooden frames to modern metal designs, there is a bunk bed to fit every aesthetic preference. The range of options allows families to choose a bed that complements their home decor while also providing a fun sleeping arrangement. For children, bunk beds can become more than just a place to sleep. They can inspire creativity and imagination. Bunk beds can be transformed into forts, castles, or secret hideouts, making bedtime an adventure. This creative play can foster a love for imaginative storytelling and role-playing, contributing to a child's emotional and cognitive development. Bunk beds can also encourage socialization among siblings and friends. Sharing a room with a bunk bed can create a sense of camaraderie, as children bond over sleepovers and late-night chats. This shared experience can strengthen relationships and foster a sense of cooperation and teamwork. Modern bunk beds are often designed with safety as a top priority. Features such as guardrails, sturdy ladders, and secure construction help ensure that children can safely use the upper bunk. Many manufacturers adhere to strict safety standards to provide peace of mind for parents. Having a bunk bed can also teach children responsibility and independence. For instance, they learn to climb the ladder safely, make their bed, and keep their sleeping area organized. These lessons can foster a sense of ownership and accountability in young children. In dormitory settings or shared living spaces, bunk beds can help maintain a safe environment by ensuring that sleeping areas are well-defined and organized. By utilizing bunk beds, institutions can create more efficient living arrangements while keeping safety a priority. Bunk beds are suitable for a range of environments beyond just children's bedrooms. They can be effectively used in guest rooms, vacation homes, or even hostels. The versatility of bunk beds makes them an ideal choice for accommodating multiple guests without compromising on comfort. Many bunk beds come with customizable options, allowing families to choose features that best suit their needs. Options may include built-in desks, futons, or even trundle beds, which can provide additional sleeping space. This customization allows bunk beds to adapt to various situations and preferences. Innovative designs, such as lofted beds, allow for a space underneath that can be utilized as a workspace, play area, or additional storage. This multifunctionality makes bunk beds an excellent choice for small spaces or for families seeking to maximize every inch of their home. Bunk beds are perfect for sleepovers, providing a fun and cozy sleeping arrangement for children. Friends can share a room comfortably, fostering bonding experiences and making sleepovers memorable. The vertical design allows multiple kids to sleep without taking up too much space. When hosting guests, bunk beds can easily accommodate additional people without the need for separate bedrooms. This flexibility can be especially useful in smaller homes or apartments where space is at a premium. Having a bunk bed available can make hosting friends and family more convenient and enjoyable. Children who share a room with bunk beds often learn to be more organized. With limited space, they must find ways to keep their belongings neat and tidy. This can include organizing toys, clothes, and other items within the confines of their designated sleeping area. The presence of a bunk bed can also encourage children to establish healthy habits regarding cleanliness. They may be prompted to make their beds each morning and keep their sleeping area clutter-free, fostering a sense of responsibility and discipline. Bunk beds can serve as unique focal points in a room, drawing attention and adding character to the space. The right design can complement the overall decor, enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal. From playful themes to elegant styles, bunk beds can become a standout feature in any bedroom. For children's rooms, bunk beds offer an excellent opportunity for themed decor. Whether it's a nautical theme, a princess castle, or a space adventure, bunk beds can be incorporated into the overall design. Themed bedding, wall art, and accessories can create a cohesive look, making the room feel magical and inviting. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish and space-saving bunk bed designs for every room. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.